Yo, man. Good day, good night. Welcome to our present life. It's my boy, Marcus.
Yo, what's up? We are preparing for Saturday afternoon event. Magawa kami ng para sa prices namin for Saturday afternoon.
Sagis. Nagawa mo, man.
Yo, so guys, it's already 10:19. We're gonna make some noise in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Taas lang natin Lagay ng inner size na event. Matapos ko lang mag-attach niyan. So ngayon, banabalik ko na sa hanger. Para ready na sa Saturday. Ating paninda at
Yes,
ating
sir.
prices. Kita kits.
Sakits.
Morning, man.
So, kakagising ko lang.
Morning, guys. Time check. 6:59. Simulan na natin ang araw natin. At welcome sa aming present life.
We're gonna buy some food for our breakfast. So, shoutout sa mga tubad. Ang sisipag niya, mga men.
What is money?
We're gonna buy some pandesal.
Yo, bibili kami pandesal. Lusol namin.
Let's go, guys.